Hello children, welcome back to your English class. Let us begin with the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan, Unit 6 of Honeycomb book. Now we all are having fans in our house, ceiling fans in our house, and in this poem, poet Maud Rubin is describing about a fan which makes lot of noise due to the lack of oiling in the motor or some problem in the motor of the fan. So the fan is making lot of noise, and this noise is compared with the human chatter by the poet. Poet is taking the noise of the fan as the chatter of human beings. Now let us see what the poet imagines about all the chatter that is made by the fan. Let us see the introduction part. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. Now here the poet is saying, once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. Once upon a time, there was a talking fan. Talking fan means the fan was making a lot of noise, and the noise that was made by fan was electrical in nature. It couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled, and he ran as still as water. Now what happened? The poet was trying to understand the chatter of the fan, what the fan actually wants to say or what the fan actually wants to tell, but the poet is not able to understand what the fan is saying. So he is trying too hard to hear what the fan is saying, and he hoped that he will be able to understand the chatter of the fan. But before he could understand the chatter of the fan, one day somebody oiled the motor of the fan, and the fan started moving without making any noise. Means it started running very smoothly, and all the mystery in the chatter, what the fan was making noise, what the fan was trying to say, what this mystery gets spoiled because of the oiling of the fan, and now there is no more chatter in the fan. He ran as still as water. It means the fan runs very smoothly without making any noise. So this is all about the meaning of the poem.